Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have several.
Really? Please, tell me more about your hobbies.
Well, I do like to collect things.
Really? What do you like to collect?
I like to collect stamps.
Really? Where do you collect stamps from?
I collect stamps from all over the world.
Why do you do that?
Because eventually I hope to have a stamp from every country.
Why do you want all of those stamps?
Well, I think it's because I won't be able to go to those countries myself.
Oh, what is another hobby of yours?
I collect beer.
Pardon me? You collect beer?
Well, actually I collect beer cans.
Okay. Where do you get the cans from?
From every place that I travel to.
Do you drink the beer?
Nah, I'm not a beer drinker.
Oh, I see.
What about you? What are your hobbies?
Well, I like to read a lot.
Really? What do you read about?
I like to read about bestsellers, and I like to read a lot about science, too.
What kind of science do you read about?
A variety of topics, but I especially like to read about nature and about electronics.
Fascinating.